In the world of power tools, with so much excitement built up around the tools themselves, there's one little guy that often gets overlooked, but is a crucial part to operating almost any tool to the best of its abilities: the accessories. Whether it's a tiny bit or a 14-inch blade, the accessories you choose to run with your tools not only affect the quality of your work, but they can also impact the performance of your tool. So today we're taking a look at the chameleon of the tool universe that's used on the most versatile tools that exist: Starlock Blades from Fein on Oscillating multi-tools. If you know Fein, you know they not only are the masters of multi-tools, but they invented them. That's why Fein Starlock Blades for these tools are not just any blades. They come equipped with an innovative tool mounting system that provides a secure, versatile, and super efficient connection between your tool and its accessories. Imagine a three-dimensional connection so secure it transfers power like a bolt of lightning, allowing you to work with precision that would make even a watchmaker jealous. And the best part? Starlock is compatible across a variety of brands, making it nearly universal option for any multi-tool. Simply pop the blade onto your tool and you can get to work. Fein offers these blades in Starlock, StarlockPlus, and StarlockMax for a perfect fit for every job and every tool. These blades align with the different power outputs of Fein's multi-tools. Standard Starlock blades can fit Starlock, Plus, Max, or OIS interface tools. StarlockPlus can fit Plus or Max tools, and Max can only fit Max, but this is where you get the most power. So which blade you need really just depends on what tool you have and what the application will be. Regardless of which option you choose, Fein Starlock blades offer surgical-like precision, slicing through nails like cutting cake, trimming door jambs with laser-like accuracy, and showing old grout who's boss. Want to carve through drywall or make plunge cuts in wood and metal that look like a master craftsman did them? Consider it done. But here's the real magic. That Starlock connection isn't just a marketing tactic with a pretty name. It's a rock-solid connection between the blade and tool that eliminates vibration and boosts efficiency, ensuring that 100% of the tool's power is applied to your cutting surface. The multi-tools that Starlock is compatible with include Milwaukee, Bosch if it's 2015 and newer, Fein Starlock models, Festool, Flex, Metabo, and DeWalt. Some of these may require an additional adapter, but for the most part, they can plug directly onto the tool itself. Among these, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Oscillating Multi-Tool 2836-20 stands out as one of the more popular choices. Known for its power and efficiency, it pairs perfectly with a multitude of Fein Starlock accessories and blades to cut, sand, scrape, or grind whatever is needed for your job. From standard blades that cut wood and plastic to segment saw blades for cutting fiberglass, Fein has an array of accessories to choose from. Taking a closer look at some of these accessories in particular, a popular one is the Fein TIN-coated E-Cut Carbide Pro Hard Metal Plunge Cut Saw Blades. These durable, high-performance StarlockMax mounting blades are designed for extra tough cutting jobs. With a secure fit, they're perfect for cutting hard materials like fiberglass, carbon fiber, and hardened screws, and the titanium nitride coating enhances its durability and heat resistance, making it ideal for both DIY or professional applications. Another popular option is the Starlock Best of Wood and Metal 6-piece blade kit 35222967010. This collection of E-Cut plunge cut saw blades is compatible with all multi-tools that are Starlock capable and not only handles a wide range of applications, but it also provides extra savings over buying each blade individually. With the ability to work on a range of materials as well, this little kit is an excellent starting place for anyone working with multi-tools for cutting. These, of course, are just a fraction of the many accessories that Fein provides for oscillating multi-tools. If I described them all, we'd be here all day. So instead, go ahead and get shopping for what you need now from Ohio Power Tool at the link in the description. And if you need any help identifying what it may be that you need, give us a call or leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
No, I'm starting that one over.
That's aggressive.
Now! Now!